Well, everyone, you may not know this, but there's actually been a ton of repair programs that Apple has made in order for us to actually go ahead and fix our iPhones if we're having certain issues. So these iPhones actually range all the way stemming even back to an iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6Ss, I think there's some iPhone 6s in there possibly as well. And essentially what this is, it's the Apple Service Repair Program or the Apple Service Program. Essentially what happens is over time, different Apple, products they've made sometimes can have some issues here and there. And not only do they service some iPhones, but they also go ahead and repair certain iPhone accessories, AirPods, Apple Watches, and iPads as well. And in order for you to find out what exactly they can go ahead and fix, you can actually make your way over to you can just search up Apple Service Repair Programs, or you can just click on the first link in the description, it'll probably take you to the same place. And essentially what it is, it's a massive website of different things that Apple will go ahead and fix on your iPhone for free for certain iPhones. So for example, if we look at one of the first ones they've done, is the multi-touch repair program for your iPhone 6 Plus. I think when that Bentgate situation was happening, essentially there was some ways that you can go ahead and send your iPhone into repair, and Apple will go ahead and repair it. It's been in effect since 2016, and they are still doing it. So if you have a 6 Plus, you can do it. There was also another big issue with the iPhone 7s, where this iPhone essentially had a no service issue. Apparently, for some models, you couldn't actually go ahead and there would just be like a no service, your SIM card wouldn't work, and other things like that. That has now been fixed. You can go and send it into Apple to repair as well. The iPhone 10 also had a display module replacement. So if you ever had any touchscreen issues on your iPhone 10, you can send your iPhone into repair to Apple, and they will go ahead and fix it for that specific situation as well. One of the biggest ones though was that iPhone 6s and 6s Plus no power issue. Essentially the 6s and 6s Plus battery had a lot of issues, and Apple went ahead and throttled your iPhone if it had certain, battery life issues. I think most of us remember that by now. So you can still go ahead and get your iPhone 6s repaired. There are also two other ones too. They're for the iPhone 11 and for the 12 and 12 Pro. So with the iPhone 11, kind of the same thing as the iPhone 10. If you were having display issues specifically with your touchscreen, if you go ahead and make your way over to their website, you type in your serial number, if everything checks out, then you can go ahead and send your iPhone 11 into repair, and they'll go ahead and fix that iPhone as well as the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro service repair program. So if your iPhone 12 had no sound, apparently I didn't have this issue personally, but some iPhone 12s and iPhone 12 Pros can actually have an issue where your iPhone, sound will not work, but that has now been fixed, and Apple can go ahead and fix this specific situation for your iPhones as well. So before you go ahead and actually get your iPhone fixed by, some other person, or maybe you try to fix it yourself, I would recommend seeing if your iPhone falls under these repair programs, because you can get it fixed for free from Apple. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.